Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over an update for Bitcoin. Right now, we are trading at $19,311. 24-hour volume, we're up 28%. And market cap, we are down 1.09% of a high of today of 19,500. So quickly taking a look at our daily chart and then immediate short term for 4 hours. Like in yesterday's video, I was saying we were most likely going to be getting rejected from our 50 moving average as we saw multiple areas of rejection. But not only that, a rejection of our 61% of our fib at 19.5. Again, our highest that we've reached was the 19.5 range. And as price is going to come back down, we are going to be looking for an area of support. Now, as yesterday's or the previous candlestick here has triggered a selling opportunity, only a high of 77% compared to the previous peak at 79%. So notice again that these peaks are getting smaller as the price is considered to be overbought at an area of resistance. So now that the price is going to come back down, I'm almost kind of leaning towards this node right here. Going to zoom out a little bit more to get some data. This node here at 19,155. You'll notice that this node's sticking out because it generated a lot of volume in terms of dollar amounts at 30,000 trades, either buying or selling. And normally we use these nodes as an area of support and resistance. So in this case, we are going to be using it as an area of support. And again, if the price is not going to hold at this dollar node, we can see the next retracement at 38% at $19,042. So roughly around that edge. I am hoping again, if we can create a higher, a low high peak, that essentially we may pick up in Bitcoin and retest our 61% of our fib. Now, heading back into our 4-hour or heading to our 4-hour time frame, I wanted you guys to take a look again at 38% of our fib at 19,200. Throughout this entire pump here from yesterday's video, we saw price coming back down. But again, this was an area of confluence, an area of interest that we are going to be testing in the next couple of hours or so. Notice how the 20 MA and the 50 MA crossed over at an essential peak where the price is currently at. We are hoping to hold on to this area of support. Notice the RSI at the very top here is considered to be oversold and a buying opportunity opened itself. We do want to wait. If you guys are looking at 4 hours, we do want to wait because we want to see an expansion, not another crossover. And the price is going to drive even further down because we are only at the 14% range. As we know, Bitcoin can retrace all the way down to 0% of the RSI before having that nice pullback for the price to retest areas of resistance. Now, another thing too that might set us back here of holding support at 38% of our fib and our moving averages holding on to support is our MACD line. Take a look again at the MACD line here, getting smaller in the bars and almost may actually cross over. So if we are going to be crossing over around the 38%, as the price is pushing down, we see this candlestick at the very top here, essentially a shooting star candlestick, an exhaustion of quote unquote this uptrend. Price is going to come back down and we're looking for another area of support. I'm going to grab this line here. This is going to be our next area of support. And if you notice, it's close to this next area of our peak here, generating roughly around 3,000 trades. This may be an area where we may see the support. We saw it in this candlestick here, retracing downwards. So we may retest this area of support again if we're not going to hold here. And depending on how strong the momentum is going to open for our MACD line. So watch out for those targets that I have for you guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Definitely like and subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you next time.